Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and welcome to our video series Teach Arduino at Rabii Hajoui YouTube channel. In the last video, we've seen how to make an LED blink. In other words, how to make an LED turn on and off. And at the last video, I gave you an assignment, which is to build a traffic light system using Arduino. And in today's video, we are going to work on that assignment. That's why I titled this video Arduino Traffic Lights. I think that you remember this image. I gave you this photo to help you program that circuit and make a traffic light system. So we have 3 LEDs instead of 1. Now we have a red one, the yellow, and the green one. And we have 4 cases. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our Rabii Hajoui YouTube channel. So now, we need for this assignment Arduino Uno, as you can see here. So we need Arduino Uno. We also need a USB cable. Now I'm going to use this USB cable. It's the USB that we can find in printers. It's larger and it will give me more freedom to move because I want to illustrate things to you. That's why I'm going to use this black one instead of the blue one. We also need a breadboard, and instead of only 1 LED, we are going to use in this assignment or in this exercise 3 LEDs. The first is green, the second is yellow, and the third, of course, is red. Also, we need 3 220 ohm resistors to protect our LEDs from burning out. And the last thing that we're going to need is jumper wires, as you can see in the image. So we're going to take all these things and build this circuit as shown in the middle of the screen. Now let's build our circuit. So the first thing that we need to do is to connect our Arduino Uno board via a USB cable. I'm going to connect it, as you can see here. So this is the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to place it like this. Okay. And of course, I'm going to leave this here. So, as you can see from the circuit, I'm going to connect the green LED, and I told you that in the green LED we have 2 legs. The shorter one is going to be connected to the ground, of course via a resistor. I'm going to make a resistor, so we are going to connect this LED or this leg to the resistor, and of course the resistor is going to be connected to ground. And I'm going to use a jumper wire, and I'm going to connect this one to Arduino pins. I'm going to connect it to this pin, the pin number 8, as you can see here. So let's build our circuit. I'm going to use a breadboard, as you can see here. So I'm going to close things for you. The first thing that we should do is to connect these LEDs. So I connect the green LED. So the longer one is going to be connected, as we said, to pin number 8 on Arduino. As you can see, pin number 8, and then going to connect it to the longer leg. We said that we're going to use a 220 ohm resistor in order to protect our LED. Going to connect it this way. And of course, I'm going to connect it to the ground. So as you can see here, I'm going to choose a ground, and I'm going to connect it to the minus. So the blue line, all these dots in this line are connected, and I'm going to use a black one in order to connect the shorter leg to the ground. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the other LEDs. So here, I'm going to choose this one, of course. So the longer leg is going to be connected now to pin number 9, as you can see here, pin number 9. The longer leg to pin number 9. Okay. And the shorter leg is going to be connected via a resistor to the ground. Okay, good. Now, the last LED, the red one, it's my favorite color because I'm a wee daddy. We're going to connect it this way. Okay, the longer leg is going to be connected now to pin number 10 on Arduino. Okay, like this. And of course, the shorter leg is going to be connected to the ground via a resistor. Ground via a resistor. Now you can see, so this is our circuit, as you can see here. Now we connected our circuits. What is next is to build our code using Arduino IDE. Now, after building our circuit, we need to program it using Arduino IDE. What we should do, we should click on this icon shown on the desktop, double click, and here we have our Arduino IDE. I said in the last video that there are three major parts in an Arduino program or sketch. In the first part, we define our global variables. In the second part, as you can see, the void setup. And the third part is the void loop. Now, the first part comes before the void setup. We need now to define our variables. So here for the LEDs, we have three LEDs, so three variables. Int, integer. The first variable is called red pin. Okay, equals, let's see in our circuit the red pin. Yes, the red pin is connected to pin number 10, so equals 10. And every statement in Arduino ends with a semicolon. The second variable for LEDs is the yellow. So yellow pin equals, as you can see in our circuit, is connected to pin number 9, equals 9. And the third variable for LEDs is the green pin equals, as you can see in our circuit, 8, pin number 8. So, we said from the last video that in the exercise, we are going to build a traffic light. So we are going to turn on the green LED for 10 seconds and the yellow LED for 2 seconds and the red LED for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to define the global variables for time. Int, okay, we're going to name it wait time. So WT for the red light. So WT red equals, we said, 10 seconds. So 1 second equals 1000 milliseconds in Arduino. So 10 seconds equals 10,000 milliseconds. 10,000 milliseconds. Ending with a semicolon. The same for the yellow wait time. We said that for the yellow, we are going to wait 2 seconds. So 2 seconds equals 2000 milliseconds. And the last variable is for green wait time. Int wait time green equals, like the red, 10,000 milliseconds. in the last video, we've talked about leaving comments, and we said that these comments are used in order to make people who read our code understand what this project means and the things that we write mean. So for the comments, we said that we put 2 forward slashes, and we can say that this project is going to be, or in this project we are going to build a traffic light system. Let's say it like this. In this project we are going to build a traffic light system, a traffic light system. So, okay, good. Now we go to the void setup. I said from the last video that in the setup we define pins are input or output. So we have 3 pins here, pin number 8 for the green, 9 for the yellow, and red for pin number 10. All these pins are used as output. It means that we are going to program Arduino to give 5 volts to these LEDs or to these pins. So we are going to write pin mode, open parentheses, and write for the red pin, okay, comma, outputs, all capital letters, outputs. And you see the happy color, the blue, happy color. Okay, semicolon. The same thing for the yellow is an output, pin mode, yellow pin, comma, outputs, all capital letters. And pin mode, the green pin, comma, outputs. Okay, outputs, and semicolon. Now we go after defining our variables. So this is the first part on an Arduino sketch or code or program. The second part is the void setup. We define pins as outputs or in some cases inputs. And now we go to the void loop. So here in this part, everything that we will write in between curly braces is going to be repeated on and on and on until we switch off the Arduino. What are we going to do in this case? We said that we are going to turn on the red light. As you can see here, we're going to turn on the red light for 10 seconds. So we're going to write digital write, capital W, write red pin, comma, we are going to put it as high, all capital letters, high, semicolon. And we are going to wait for 10 seconds. As you can see here, we assigned this variable 10,000 milliseconds. Instead of writing 10,000 here, we are going to write wait red. Now let's see, delay, the function is delay. And instead, as I told you, of writing 10,000, we are going to, because 10,000 equals wait time for red, we are going to write here wait time red. Wait time red. Okay. Now, so after waiting 10 times, we need the yellow to be on for 2 seconds. Okay. Now we have digital. We can copy and paste. Control C, Control V. Instead of red pin, we are going to put yellow pin. Yellow pin. And it's high, and instead of wait time red, we are going to put wait time yellow. WT yellow. Okay. Now, the first state is to turn on the red light for 10 seconds. The second state is to turn on the yellow light or the amber light for 2 seconds. What else? Now, we need to turn off the red and the yellow and to turn on the green for 10 seconds. So we're going to turn on the green first. We're going to put digital right. Red, instead of red, we're going to put green pin as high. And we are going to, as we said, we are going to, here, instead of wait time red, we are going to put wait time green. Okay. And as I said, we need to turn off the yellow and the red. The command that we are going to use is digital right. Digital right. Okay. Red pin. Now, instead of high, we are going to put low. Okay. Good. And semicolon. And the same for the yellow. Control C, Control V. Now I'm going to put yellow pin, of course, low. Now, after the green, we have in this case, we are going to put green for 10 seconds. And after this, we need to turn on the yellow for 2 seconds. here, copy, Control C, Control V, turn on I4, and we have delay time for wait time yellow. Okay, so this is our code. Let's read it again. The first states turn on the red LED for 10 seconds. The second state is turning on the yellow for 2 seconds. The third state is to turn off red and yellow and turn on green. And after that, we are going to turn on the yellow, and we need, of course, to turn off the green, because digital right, green pin, okay, green pin, comma, low. Okay, good. Now we are going to verify our code. If there are some problems here, let's go to desktop. We're going to save it as desktop, and we're going to name it traffic lights. Okay, and save. Let's see now the problems that we have here. As you can see, Arduino told us that in this line there is a problem. So, can you guess what is our problem here? So, digital right, green pie. Okay. So, you see here, we define our variable as green pin. So, there is a spelling mistake. We need to add the N. Okay, another time, verify. Okay, you can see here in this black area, there is expected a semicolon. I told you that each line ends with a semicolon. And now let's verify. Our code is working great now. Wow, perfect. Now let's upload. After verifying our code, we are going to upload it to our Arduino board. As you can see here, we are going to upload it on our Arduino board, hoping that it will work. So you can see now the red LED for 10 seconds. Okay. After 10 seconds, the yellow, green for 10 seconds. And now the loop. After this, okay, you see now it's the red and yellow. You can see now there is a problem here. So we have these two are on for the same time. So we, after delay time, we need to put the yellow off here in our program, Control C, and we need to put it off after the wait time. Control V and put the yellow off. It means low. Okay. Let's see another time. Upload our program and see if it's going to work. Yes. 10 seconds. Red. Be careful now. The yellow, the green for 10 seconds. And it will be repeated. The yellow. Why the yellow? So here we have, after the green is off, let's see the yellow pin. The yellow pin is low. Okay. And this is high. Wait time yellow, 10 seconds. Red. Do it again. Red. Now, this is our state. You can see here we are in this case. Now we are in this state. Everything is low except the green. Now, what's going on? Here we're going to have the yellow high. No, we should have the yellow. Okay, we should have it low. Okay. The green high. Let's see what is the mistake. And by the way, this is computer science. You need to detect where is the problem and don't give up. Your program is not going to run from the first time. You need to make mistakes and to try to solve these mistakes and see what is going on in your software and in your hardware. So we have red pin. Okay, this is our first state. Now, this is the red. Okay, yellow. And after yellow, we have the green. This is the green on, everything off. And here we are going to have yellow high. Okay, yes, it's good, it's perfect. Yes, good. Our second program, Sketch in Arduino, worked perfectly. Congratulations. Thank you.
Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share Rabii Hajoui YouTube channel.